So now I've shown you how to add fixtures, save your show file. You've probably got an opportunity to press OK or escape or something to get out of after you've saved. You're probably back to looking at something a little bit like this, hopefully. And I'm going to go through some of the basics about how you might program your fixtures. First of all, I'm going to hit this button here to go to my fixture list. Pop. So there's a bunch of things here. Obviously your list of your lights or fixtures. You can make groups of fixtures to allow you to select them quickly and easily. Presets allow you to have a bunch of controllable elements that you can add to fixtures. Queues, similar to presets, a whole bunch of different settings, DMX commands that you can activate by pressing one thing or one button, either a queue like one of these, so one of these buttons. Or in a queue list, you can move through a series of these. So like a group of presets is a way to think about it. Not sure about this and other stuff, but we're good. So here are our lights. As you can see, they're pretty much all off at the moment. And I'm going to go over here to dimmer so you can see, first of all, how this works. So a couple of things. I prefer to use the list normally, like this, just so I can see what's going on a bit better. But by default it'll show up like this. This is kind of a bit more visual with only a few lights. Maybe that makes sense. It doesn't really matter, but just so you know, that's how you can control those things. I'll put it back on that so you can see a bit more visually on the screen. And to select the lights, you click on them, they go yellow when they're selected and grey when they're not selected. And you can click first, hold shift. Not in this view, you can't. No, that's why I do it. So click first one, hold shift, click the last one, selects all of them. That's probably why I prefer this view. And now we can start seeing some stuff that's going on. So I'm going to go back to the other view. And I'm here, I've clicked dimmer. So this is your most basic control. And just bring up the lights. This one's got a leftover setting from the last time I played with color. It's not the end of the world. So just varying the light intensity, how bright it is. And color here, I'm going to change that back to white. So while they're all selected, I hit color and I can change the color by sliding through here. Alright, to select a color. Now, if this were attached to the actual lighting rig, the lights would be changing in real time, and we'll go through how to simulate that using the 3D package that comes along with this one. But that's for another video. So that's pretty cool. And the next step will be to save the settings in the programmer. But at a basic level, this is kind of how you can work with the lights. So choosing color and intensity.